Warning: read and follow all labels in the owner's manual. The FILTAIR 215 contains a self-cleaning filter mechanism. Connect 80 to 100 psi of clean, dry, oil-free compressed air for the self-cleaning filter mechanism to operate. Note: the filter cabinet cover and disposal bin should be installed and secured before operating the cleaning mechanism. Cleaning the filter is recommended when the gauge reaches 3 inches and is required at 4 inches. If the gauge reads 4 or more inches after cleaning, it is time to change the filter. The filter cleaning system begins operation when the control switch is moved from hand to off or when the cleaning cycle button is pressed. The system cleans the filter with multiple air pulses in about 15 seconds. After the filter cleaning cycle is complete, empty the disposal bin. First, it is recommended to remove the air supply to the unit. Then, push the lever down to release the particulate tray. Pull out the tray and dispose of the particulate. Reinstall the tray and pull the lever up to secure the tray in position. Reconnect the air supply. It is recommended to regularly monitor the filter gauge and inspect the filter to know when filter replacement is needed.